Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a look at the 2018 Chevrolet Malibu LT. This Malibu is featured in a sandy ridge metallic paint finish. Under the hood we have a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission and front wheel drive. Inside the vehicle is 5-passenger seating on jet black cloth seating surfaces. We have a power driver seat. Driver also has access to our cruise controls as well as steering wheel audio controls, a display cluster information system, power windows, as well as power locks and power mirrors. Outside the vehicle, we have alloy wheels, as well as keyless entry in front and back of the vehicle. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, and our rear window lock, storage, as well as our speaker and the rest of the door. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have interior and exterior lighting, power driver seat with power adjustable lumbar, and the seat itself finished in our jet black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, you can see our display cluster with our driver information system in the center. If we click left, we can see we can get to our audio, phone. We have OnStar available navigation as well as options. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have cruise controls, and there's audio controls behind. Right-hand side, we have voice recognition and hands-free, as well as the controls for that driver information system. More audio controls behind with a push-to-start ignition and wiper controls on the right here. Moving to the infotainment system in the middle, we have AM, FM, and Sirius XM media, phone connection and phone projection, OnStar navigation, settings, text, our OnStar settings, as well as apps. Second page has My Chevrolet. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we have our backup camera with our adaptive guidelines. Below the screen, we have home, seek, volume controls, and back. Hazard lights below that, and then we have single zone climate controls with front and rear defrost, AC, as well as our front defrost that's not on max, and zone settings in the center. Below this center we have USB-A's, 2 of them, as well as an aux and a 12-volt plug. Some storage where we can see our key fob. On it we have locks and unlocks, a remote start, our power trunk release, as well as alarm system. Traction control in the front, and our leather finished shifter with 2 cup holders. Phone spot that has removable, easy to clean rubber. Inside the center console, we have some deep storage. Passenger seat also finished in our jet black cloth. Lastly, moving above the rearview mirror, we have OnStar settings at the front, as well as our dome lights with dome lighting controls across the middle. Now walking down the side of our vehicle. Moving down to our front tire and rim, we have a 17-inch alloy rim with a Chevy bow tie center cap. Moving out, we have paint match mirrors with black accents and an integrated turn signal, Malibu badging in chrome, keyless entry in both front and back door handles, and the handles themselves are paint match. All the way around to the back of the vehicle, Malibu and LT badging in chrome with our orange bow tie. Opening up the bottom of the vehicle, we have our release underneath, right next to our backup camera. In the back of the vehicle, we have a 60-40 folding split that we can actually fold directly from the back on either side. Some storage underneath, as well as a full-size fifth tire. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finished door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. 2 rear vents in the center seat, as well as 2 USBs for charging, a 120-volt plug and 12-volt plug. All-weather floor mats throughout the vehicle. Second row seat is a 60-40 folding bench finished in our jet black cloth. In the center seat, we have 2 foldable cup holders. To fold the seats, we have access from the back of the vehicle. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2018 Chevrolet Malibu LT. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.